Hi, it's been a while since I've done a channel update. Of course, if you're a Patron, you'll be fully up to date with what's been happening. But I thought I'd publish a simple channel update on what's been happening. So the studio renovations are a little bit slow because I had a week of contract work that I had to complete, so that slowed things down a little bit. But everything's sort of gotten back on track again. I've yet to do acoustic installation. I've got to put an acoustic door in, track lights. There's quite a few things left to do, but I think it's all coming along quite well. So unfortunately, the video that I was going to publish this weekend, which is going to be an SBC review, will be the following weekend. But for now, I've got another video, which is a PCB design video that I've been doing with one of my mates. So another thing I'll be doing is running another competition, which will be based on... No, actually I won't tell now. So stay tuned for that coming up later on, probably in the next couple of weeks. So I've got a nice snazzy window which faces into the studio, which is great. It's all properly acoustic insulated, double glazed, and two windows, so that's pretty good. I've got a doorway I've got to put in yet, which is going to be an acoustic insulated door, nice big thick one, so I don't get any of the noise from the rest of the house or the studio coming in. And so this was previously an open wall, so I've managed to plaster it all, get it all painted, just ready to have the acoustic treatment put on. So it's going to be an open area. Everything's going to be mobile. There's going to be nothing staying put. Everything's going to be on wheels, so it can be completely moved around. So that's going to be interesting when I'm storing electronics. So I've got a nice big window. I can look into this area, all completely acoustically insulated, which is good. So that's about it. Hopefully I'll have another update in 2 to 3 weeks where everything will be completed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.